Alright, right now I have to take off the old control arms so we can replace them with the new ones. I'm going to do them one by one, starting with the driver's side lower. Okay, so this wrench isn't working. I'm going to try something else. Alright, I'm going to take it a step up, and I'm going to give this breaker bar a try. See if I can break it loose with this. Well, it kind of feels like it wants to turn, but like the bushing might be holding it back or something. What the hell was that? Wee! Woohoo! This is fun. See? Who said working on vehicles couldn't be fun? Okay, I'm gonna try the impact gun. See if that works. Alright, sorry for the noise. I honestly thought that was gonna work. I don't know what to do now. Wow. Wow, that sucked. Let me beat on it a little bit. Yeah, that's right. Take that, control arm bolt. Gosh dang, that's some itchy foot fungus. Youch! Oh, come on, just come off already. And I got 7 more to do once I get this one off. Come on. I think we're gonna have to change the tactics up a little bit. Do you know what that means? Sawzall time. Let's cut this bugger off. Well, geez, what did I grab? The Sawzall or the Saw Nothing? Geez, maybe it's the bit. Let me change that out. So, because I gotta cut all these bolts off now, I've had to look for replacements. And I actually found a website called jeepbolts.com. And it's a guy out of Colorado, and he's got a massive selection of replacement bolts for so many different model Jeeps. And the price point was pretty fair. Okay, this actually took an incredibly long time, and I lost some of the footage of cutting these off. So I'm gonna do us a favor, and I'm gonna skip us to the end bit where we can see some of the progress. I'm not exactly too sure what happened to the footage. I suspect it's either the GoPro or the computer, but I did have a lot of fun installing the front, and I'm eager to get started on the rear. So check in next week to see how that goes.